No Nonsense Know-How here. Today working on a 2001 Toyota Camry here. Alright, so on this one, I don't know if you can hear that humming noise, but what's causing it is a torn boot on the back, right here where my finger is. If you pop this 10mm, loosen this up here, you can slide this off, and you'll see it actually gets a lot louder. So, also, if you pop open the intake, you'll hear very loud harmonic noise in there. The reason for that is you have air flowing through here, and you know, the intake, some engines make some noise. So what Toyota does is add this extra box down here that's supposed to reduce that. It's connected by this hose. Unfortunately, when that tears open, you're going to get more noise. So I'll try to find a link, give you the part number for this. The other option is going to be just getting a cap of some sort, jamming it in here, and you can see the noise goes away completely. And after just taking this down the highway with this plug in here, the noise is completely gone, and I didn't hear any other harmonics or anything. So yeah, my fix is going to be just plug this thing off, is my recommendation if you have this problem. So anyway, give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Really appreciate that. And until next time, no nonsense, no how. Thanks a lot.